Well, welcome back to another episode of This With That, where today I'll be shooting this with that. It is super sunny, and to combat the sun, I have got these sunglasses here. So sit back and enjoy another episode. I'm excited because it's vacation time, hence why I've got my nice vacation attire on and my hat. I never load my guns beforehand, so I'm gonna load it here now. Is it this button? Or is it this button? Oh. I don't have much ammo to shoot today, so if there's any ammo sponsors that would like to send me some ammo, I would greatly need it to shoot more. Now that the magazine has been loaded fully, I think we are ready to begin. Oh, I almost forgot. This is pretty loud. Come on. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, I brought this today instead. Now it is going to be much quieter. Let's begin. Right, this back. And all right. Where am I going on vacation? I hit here, no landmass, but magically I hit no landmass again. Let's see. Oh, jeez. There's glass in there? What the heck? Why is there glass in there? Oh. There's a light bulb in here. That's probably why there's an extension cord out of it. Well, if I would have known that, I wouldn't have shot it. I don't know about you, but I have been working long hours lately, and I want to go on vacation. So let's see where we go. Looks like I have options. And it says Hawaiian Islands. So that's nice. Mexico. I could go to Panama. Panama. I can go to the Ecuador. But there's two sides to a globe. So if we turn it around, Tropic of Cancer. I will not be going there. Vietnam. That's a coincidence. I could go to the Maldives. Oh, look at these guys. Can I help you guys?
Look, he's filming a YouTube video.
Well, I got electric bikes. That's cool.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going on vacation.
Yeah, well, I have a gun too.
How many?
1,000.
Brady did this to me earlier. Can you guys leave?
I have 100,000 guns.
That's a felony.
What a loser.
Camera's with me then.
No, hey. Let's...
What?
Don't quit.
I'm not quitting. I'm just gonna go over here for a second. Stupid bikes.
I've got...
I've got...
2 trucks.
Oh, he's got 2 trucks. Look at me, I got 2 trucks. I got an electric bike. Look at my electric bike.
You see all of our cool electric bikes?
I did see your electric bikes.
Hey guys, let's go start a YouTube channel just to compete with him.
Do you have another bike?
Fly home, buddy. We ride alone.
Just when I was excited to go on vacation, those guys had to show back up. Sounds like they're having fun. Wish I could have fun. Thanks for watching another episode of This With That. Sorry for the interruptions earlier. But the best thing you can do right now is go like and subscribe and comment in the comments below, because I want to prove a point to those guys. This bonus clip has been brought to you by Dynamic Principles. If you are looking for a new DPS that is fully customizable, that is custom fit to your body, check out dynamicprinciples.us. While you're there, you might as well check out one of these cool new gun belts. It's very fashionable. Also works as very well as a gun belt. Beep! Oh. Head over to dynamicprinciples.us and pick you up one today. Thanks for watching. Oh, wasn't recording. Just so you're aware, I hit the globe every single time. I didn't miss once. Thanks for watching.